everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. And in this video I will be making the special rice that my mom makes for me during Omugwo. Guys, this rice, as local as it may look, it's so delicious and is nutritious, is healthy, like is everything good you can ever think of. So those are the ingredients I'll be using: some onion, some bonga fish or tilapia fish, my stockfish. Please, if you have those, stockfish flesh, those big ones, use it. Some bouillon cubes, enough crayfish, my ugu, some scotch bonnet pepper, and the rice itself. Yeah, I'll begin by cleaning the stockfish. Use hot water like to soak the stockfish for like a minute or two. Just a minute is fine. Then wash. Now the boiling the rice. Back to my stockfish. I'll be using my pressure pot to cook the living dead out of it. So I want this to be very soft, like even the bones and the head, the stockfish has to be very soft and chewy. That's the goodness of this recipe. You don't need to throw anything away. So this is it after like 5 minutes. So in a pot, I have my vegetable oil. I went in with some salt and my onion. Fry this onion for about 2 minutes. Just went in with the bonga fish. Also fry in the oil for another 1 minute. Then my crayfish, of course, you know that frying your crayfish a little bit like makes it taste so good. It makes your meal taste so good. Please guys, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't done so, this is the best time to do so before you forget. So I'm adding in the bouillon cubes. No seasoning like extra, sengemenge, thyme, curry, chicken seasoning, blah blah blah. The seasoning I'm using is even purely beef seasoning or plain seasoning cube. So I now added some of the stockfish water now to boil. Now I'm adding in the pepper. I blended the scotch bonnet pepper, adding in some salt to taste. And guys, this is it. It is ready to accept our rice. So I just went in with the rice, the parboiled rice. Remember, the rice is already parboiled, so it's not going to take time to cook. So I'll mix everything up. Mix everything thoroughly. Just added the stockfish, No, remember the stuff is already cooked, like so soft. So it's good that you see add it so that it will absorb all the sweetness, like the taste of the meal will really get into it. This is one of the sweet things I enjoy during my omugwo, and that's why I add so much weight. So I'm preparing the vegetable. I'll be pairing it with alongside. So I just went in with some oil, some tomatoes, and very fresh tomatoes, and onion. Little salt. See, I'm just adding this for taste. Very tiny. It's not even up to quarter of one bouillon cube. I have to just take it. If you bring one like this, you just use your the tip of your finger. Take him, you know. So that's the quantity I'm using. Of course, I'll still add some crayfish. That bouillon cube is even insignificant, like you can do without it. If you are not cool with it, fine, remove it. Your vegetable will still come out. So some chopped pepper. So the next thing is our vegetable. Our ugu just went in. Can substitute the ugu with the green leaf. Yeah, what do they even call it? African spinach. You can use that. You have to mix thoroughly, check for taste, like sure the salt is okay. If it's not, you can add a little more. For this, everything was perfect, and it's ugu now, so you don't need to leave it for that long. So just a minute, and I turned off the heat. Come back to the rice, guys. Look at this, our stockfish rice. Hey, omego, what again are you looking for? Please subscribe to this channel. Give the video a massive thumbs up.